Guests were arriving in 10 minutes, and there I was, frantically scrubbing the guest bathroom toilet, while my arms burned and my lungs filled with overwhelming chemical fumes. Despite all my sweating, a stubborn water ring remained, mocking me from the porcelain. Walking down the cleaning aisle is incredibly frustrating because the shelves are packed with gels, stamps, and wands that all make massive promises but rarely deliver real results. I finally snapped, bought the 7 most popular cleaners on the market, and rigorously tested them all. One of them completely revolutionized my routine, and you won't believe which one takes the crown. Let's count them down. 7. Msvvko B0DRJDHPH1. When I first ordered this, I was incredibly intrigued by the concept. It is essentially a drop-in tank cleaner designed to provide long-lasting hands-free maintenance with every single flush. Unlike the standard loose tablets that dissolve in a matter of days, this product comes in a uniquely shaped dispenser that you submerge directly into the corner of your toilet tank. The main feature here is its slow-release technology, which is supposed to consistently dispense a powerful blue cleaning solution into the water over an extended period, theoretically keeping your bowl fresh without you ever having to lift a finger. In practice, the installation was admittedly very simple. You just unbox it, drop the entire unit into the back of the tank, and let the water do the rest of the work. For the first few days, every flush produced a deeply satisfying stream of blue water that made the bowl look remarkably pristine and smelled pleasantly fresh. It gave off the immediate visual impression that the toilet was being thoroughly sanitized around the clock. If you have a bathroom that rarely gets used, like a basement guest room, having this passive system constantly refreshing the bowl water does provide a small amount of peace of mind. However, as I continued testing this product over a couple of weeks, the cracks in its performance began to show quite significantly. The dispensing mechanism proved to be wildly inconsistent. Sometimes the water would just be a faint, barely there blue, and other times a flush would release so much dye that it looked like a Smurf exploded in my plumbing, leaving a thick, unnatural residue along the water line. 6. Kaboom Scrub-Free System. I decided to test this because it attempts to solve the biggest problem associated with traditional drop-in bleach tablets: tank degradation. Standard bleach pucks sit at the bottom of your tank and slowly eat away at the rubber flapper and internal hardware, causing costly leaks. Kaboom's massive selling point is its clever bypass system. It attaches inside your tank, but it reroutes the water through a specialized chamber containing powerful OxiClean tablets, sending the cleaning solution directly down the overflow tube and straight into the bowl, completely protecting your tank's delicate internal components. Setting up the Kaboom system made me feel a bit like a plumber, but it was surprisingly straightforward. You clip the main unit to the inside wall of the tank, disconnect your standard fill tube, and attach the provided Kaboom tubes to route the water through the device. Once installed, the mechanism works exactly as advertised. Every time you flush, a measured dose of OxiClean formula is injected directly into the bowl. It is incredibly satisfying to know that the cleaning agents are attacking the stains in the bowl without secretly destroying the expensive rubber seals hidden inside the tank. Despite this brilliant engineering, the day-to-day reality of using the Kaboom system revealed some frustrating drawbacks. The first thing I noticed was the aggressively strong chemical smell. While I appreciate a clean bathroom, the odor this system pumps out with every flush borders on clinical, making the room smell more like a hospital ward than a fresh home environment. Furthermore, the longevity of the proprietary cleaning tablets was a major letdown. In a bathroom used daily by a family, the tablets dissolved far faster than the manufacturer claimed, forcing me into a cycle of constantly buying expensive proprietary refills. 5. Clorox B0FMWRRZSY. After dealing with the complicated tank gadgets, I wanted to go back to basics and test a traditional liquid formula. This product stands out on the shelves because of its thick, clinging gel formulation, combined with the legendary disinfecting power of Clorox Bleach. It promises to coat the sides of the bowl, sticking to the porcelain to provide a longer dwell time, which allows the chemicals to effortlessly break down tough stains, kill 99.9% of bacteria, and eliminate odors without requiring you to aggressively scrub until your arms fall off. The physical design of the bottle is an absolute lifesaver. It features a sharply angled neck that allows you to easily squirt the thick gel directly up and underneath the rim of the toilet, targeting the hidden, grossest areas where mold and bacteria love to hide. As soon as you apply it, you can visibly see the thick blue gel slowly oozing down the sides of the bowl. This slow drip is incredibly effective because it ensures the bleach remains in contact with the stains for several minutes rather than just washing immediately into the water at the bottom of the basin. When it comes to raw, undeniable cleaning power, this Clorox gel is an absolute monster. I tested it on a toilet that hadn't been scrubbed in over a week, and the results were highly impressive. After letting the gel sit for about 10 minutes, I barely had to apply any elbow grease. A light swish with a standard toilet brush lifted away every single trace of organic matter and unsightly rings. Furthermore, the Arctic Fresh scent is a massive improvement over traditional bleach. 4. Zep Acidic. I bought this specific product because I was facing a severe issue in my downstairs bathroom. Stubborn, crusty, hard water rings and thick brown rust stains that regular bleach gels absolutely refuse to touch. Zep's formula is different from standard cleaners because it relies on a potent 10% hydrochloric acid solution. It is specifically formulated to chemically attack and dissolve the toughest mineral deposits, calcium buildup, and rust streaks that plague homes with hard water or older, degrading plumbing systems. Using this product makes you feel like an absolute professional. The application process is similar to a standard gel. It has an angled spout that lets you coat the underside of the rim and the sides of the bowl. However, because this is a powerful acid, you have to treat it with a bit more respect. You apply it, step back, and let the chemistry take over. Unlike bleach, which merely lightens and sanitizes stains, the hydrochloric acid in this bottle aggressively targets the molecular structure of the minerals clinging to your porcelain, breaking them down from the inside out. The results I witnessed were nothing short of miraculous. I applied the Zep cleaner to a dark, calcified rust ring that had been driving me crazy for months. After letting it dwell for 15 minutes, I went in with my brush. Instead of having to scrub violently, the hard water line literally melted away into the water with just a few gentle passes. There was a faint, satisfying fizzing sound as the acid reacted with the calcium deposits. It completely restored the porcelain to a bright, factory-fresh white, saving a toilet bowl that I honestly thought was permanently ruined and needed to be entirely replaced. 3. BLUELAND B0FMWRRZSY. I was actively seeking a modern, eco-friendly alternative to the heavy plastic bottles and toxic fumes that dominate the cleaning aisle. And BLUELAND's incredibly unique approach caught my eye immediately. Instead of shipping heavily diluted liquid gels and single-use plastics, this starter set provides a sleek, reusable steel storage tin and a set of completely dry, plastic-free, bio-based foaming tablets. It promises a powerful, non-toxic clean utilizing plant-based and planet-friendly ingredients, packaged in a way that respects the environment. The user experience here is absolutely delightful and wonderfully simple. When it is time to clean, you just pop open the beautiful steel tin, grab one of the compact tablets, and drop it directly into the center of the toilet bowl. Within seconds, the tablet violently reacts with the water, erupting into a thick, luxurious, expanding foam that creeps up the sides of the bowl toward the water line. The scent that releases during this fizzing process is incredible. The lemon cedar fragrance genuinely smells like high-end essential oils drifting through a luxury spa, completely devoid of the sharp, stinging chemical undertones found in traditional cleaners. I was initially highly skeptical about how well an eco-friendly tablet could actually perform, but the cleaning power absolutely blew me away. Once the foam had fully expanded, I took my brush and began to scrub. The effervescent nature of the foam acted as a brilliant lifting agent, effortlessly loosening everyday grime, watermarks, and organic buildup. It cut through the mess with surprising ease, leaving the porcelain sparkling bright. The fact that it achieved this level of cleanliness without relying on heavy bleach, hydrochloric acid, or harsh artificial dyes is a massive testament to BLUELAND's innovative chemical engineering. 2. Scrubbing bubbles. After testing so many manual scrubbers and tank drop-ins, I wanted a continuous cleaning solution that actually worked without risking my tank plumbing. This product introduces a brilliant, highly innovative concept. Instead of putting a tablet in the tank or pouring liquid down the drain, you use a specialized dispenser to apply a thick, concentrated disc of cleaning gel directly onto the inside wall of the toilet bowl, right underneath the rim where the water flows during a flush. The application process is strangely satisfying and incredibly quick. The kit comes with a syringe-like plastic tube filled with the dense cleaning gel. You simply uncap it, press the open end against the inside of the clean, dry porcelain, and push the plunger until it clicks into the next notch. When you pull the dispenser away, it leaves behind a perfectly formed, flower-shaped stamp of solid gel stuck tightly to the bowl. It completely eliminates the need to touch any dirty surfaces, and the gel adheres so aggressively to the porcelain that it won't wash away, no matter how forcefully your toilet flushes. The magic of this product lies in its continuous, flush-activated performance. Every single time you flush the toilet, the water cascades over the gel stamp. This action dissolves a microscopic layer of the gel, creating a subtle cleaning foam that washes down the sides of the entire bowl, actively fighting the buildup of hard water stains, limescale, and toilet rings. Simultaneously, it releases a massive burst of incredible freshness. The scent is incredibly potent in the best way possible. A single stamp genuinely acts as a continuous air freshener that keeps the entire bathroom smelling pristine and heavily sanitized for a full week. 1. Clorox Toilet Wand. After weeks of testing every imaginable method, this product completely eliminated every single pain point I have ever had with bathroom chores. Let's be honest, the worst part of cleaning a toilet isn't the scrubbing. It is the disgusting, unhygienic aftermath of dealing with a dripping, bacteria-infested, traditional bristle brush. The Clorox Toilet Wand system attacks this exact problem with a revolutionary design that makes cleaning your bathroom safer, faster, and infinitely more sanitary than anything else on the market. The brilliant engineering of this system starts with the physical components. When you buy the kit, you receive a sleek, compact storage caddy that neatly holds the ergonomic plastic wand and a stack of specialized, preloaded disposable scrubbing heads. The absolute best feature is the hands-free attachment mechanism. You simply take the wand, press the tip down onto one of the scrubbing heads sitting in the caddy, and it firmly clicks into place. You never once have to touch the cleaning sponge with your bare hands, instantly elevating the hygiene of the entire process before you even begin cleaning. Once the sponge head makes contact with the water in the bowl, the real magic happens. The sponge is heavily preloaded with a concentrated, incredibly powerful Clorox cleaning solution that immediately activates, turning the water into a deep blue, stain-destroying lather. Furthermore, the physical shape of the scrubbing head is perfect. The hexagon-shaped sponge is highly flexible, allowing you to easily bend it to scrub deep down into the trap and maneuver it far up underneath the rim. It reaches areas that stiff, round, traditional bristles simply cannot access, effortlessly obliterating hidden mold, bacteria, and severe hard water stains.